I'm going to tell you how you can improve your speaking skills. I will tell you how you can get free website, absolutely free. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser. So listen carefully. This is very interesting conversation between person A and person B, which is absolutely free. Hello guys, good evening. This is me Mithun. Welcome back to English with Mithun. If you are passionate about learning English, so you are on the right place. I'm not going to teach you anything, just how you can learn English easily. You don't need to spend money, you don't need to go anywhere. Here, I'm going to tell you about ChatGPT. This is absolutely free. You can get free website where you can talk to ChatGPT and ask any question. So whatever you want. Here, this is very easy step. I will tell you about ChatGPT and how you can use it free of cost without spending any money. First of all, I would like to introduce ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT and what type of work you can do with the help of ChatGPT? This is very amazing. Here, there is a conversation. Person A and person B. Person A knows about ChatGPT and person B does not about ChatGPT anything. Person A tells person B what is ChatGPT and what type of work he can do, right? So let's start. Keep watching till the end and stay. So listen carefully. This is very interesting conversation between person A and person B. Person A, hey, do you know about ChatGPT? Person B, not really. What is it? Person A, ChatGPT is an AI assistant made by OpenAI. Person B, oh, what does it do? Person A, it helps with answering questions, solving problems, and even writing stories. Now, person B, that's cool. Can it help with homework? Person A, yes. It explains topics and solves math problems too. Person B, wow. Can I use it for learning English? Person A, absolutely. It is great for learning languages and improving skills. Now, person B, this sounds amazing. I'll try ChatGPT today. Person A, you will love it. It's like having a smart friend anytime. It is very helpful for everybody. Now, now finished. So this is very interesting. I hope you understand what is ChatGPT. Now I will tell you how you can get free website, absolutely free, and you don't need to spend any money. Here we go. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser. Now I will show you by doing that. Here, first of all, you have to open your Chrome browser, and now you have to search on Google ChatGPT. ChatGPT, ChatGPT. Now here you will see there's so many websites, right? So you don't click on first website. Now go scroll. Second website. Here you will see here second website ChatGPT, right? Now click on this. Here actually I am registered in this ChatGPT. That is why here they don't ask for email ID, right? If you haven't registered yet, then they will ask you for an email ID, right? So you should have an email ID, and here you have to tap your email ID and password. Once you registered in this ChatGPT, so here you will get option, and there are three options. First you can, here you can type, and other one you can recording, and this is voice talking, like whatever you say they will answer.